Welcome to H. Greg Lux. Here we have a 2022 Chevy Corvette Stingray. This car came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Perfect. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Excellent. I'm not seeing any paint chips or scratches here at all. Let's move on to the driver fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the driver door. Okay, I'm not seeing any scratches on this door at all. Everything here looks fine. Let's take a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's have a look at the back of the car. Okay, the spoiler looks good. Do not see any scratches, and the back bumper is in excellent condition as well. Let's have a look at the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel is in excellent condition, no scratches, no dents here at all, and the wheel has no curb rash. Take a look at the passenger door. This door is in excellent condition, no scratches, no dents at all. Everything here looks fine. And now the last fender and wheel. This fender is in excellent condition, no scratches, no dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this car is in perfect condition. Now we're gonna have a look inside. We're gonna start off with the driver's seat. All right, let's have a look at the door panel. Perfect. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're gonna move on to the passenger side. Okay, that seat looks really good. Let's have a look at the door panel. Perfect. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now that I'm inside, let's have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're gonna start off with the radio. This car has navigation, also backup camera. Let's take a look at the center console. Okay, I'm not seeing any wear and tear here at all. Everything here looks perfect. Let's move on to the steering wheel. Excellent, everything here looks good. So the interior of this car is in perfect condition. Now we're gonna have a look at the trunk. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.